Hello students, welcome to P.N.AMERSEY e-learning classes. Today we are going to start exercise 2.5. So students, before solving exercise 2.5, I will explain you the place and the place value of decimal fractions by giving example. Our example is 429.328. So first we have to look at the digits which are before decimal. The digits which are before decimal are 4, 2 and 9. So the place of this 9 is ones, place of this 2 is tens and the place of this 4 is 100. Now we have to see the digits which are after decimal and that are 3, 2 and 8. So the place of this 3 is tenth, place of this 2 is 100th and place of this 8 is thousandth. Now I will explain you how you will calculate the place value of this decimal fraction. And for that also you have to look at the numbers which are before decimal and that are 4, 2 and 9. So the place value of this 9 is 9 into 1, that is equal to 9 because it is at ones place. Now the place value of this 2 is 2 into 10, that is equal to 20 because it is at 10th place. Now the place value of this 4 is 4 into 100, that is equal to 400 because it is at the place of 100. Now we have to calculate the place value of the numbers which are after decimal and they are 3, 2 and 8. So the place value of this 3 is 3 into 1 upon 10, that is equal to 3 upon 10 because it is at 10th place. Place value of this 2 is 2 into 1 upon 100 because it is at 100th place. So 2 upon 100. Now place value of this 8 is 8 into 1 upon 1000 because it is at 1000th place. So our answer will be 8 upon 1000. In this way, you can calculate the place and the place value of decimal fractions. So after learning place and place value of decimal fraction, we will solve exercise 2.5. Question number 1 of exercise 2.5 is which is greater? First part is 0.5 or 0.05. It means you have to tell that 0.5 is greater or 0.05 is greater. First part of question number 1 is which is greater? 0.5 is greater or 0.05 is greater? For that, we have to see the digit which are before decimal. And in 0.5, the digit which is before decimal is 0. And in 0.05, the digit before decimal is also 0. So both are 0. Now we have to see the digit which are after decimal. That is on 10th place. So the digit at 10th place of 0.5 is 5, this 5, and the digit at 10th place of 0.05 is 0, this 0. So we can say that 5 is greater than 0, this 5 is greater than 0. So 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Second part of question number 1, exercise 2.5 is 0.7 is greater or 0.5 is greater, that you have to tell. So first we have to look at the digit which are before decimal and in both the numbers 0 is before decimal. So they are same. Now we will see the digits which are after decimal. So digit at 10th place of 0.7 is 7, this 7. And digit at 10th place of 0.5 is 5, this 5. So 7 is greater than 5. This 7 is greater than 5. So we can say that 0.7 is greater than 0.5. Now third part of question number 1 exercise 2.5 is 7 or 0.7. You have to tell this 7 is greater or 0.7 is greater. This 7, you can write this 7 like this also. So first we have to look at the number that is before decimal. In 7.0, the number before decimal is 7. And in 0.7, the number before decimal is 0. So, 7 is at the unit place of the number. So, digit at unit place in 7 is 7. And the digit at unit place in 0.7 is 0. This 0. This 7 and this 0. So, 7 is greater. This 7 is greater than 0. So, we can say that 7 is greater than 0.7. Now, we will solve part 4 of question number 1, exercise 2.5. Part 4 is 1.37 or 1.49. You have to tell that 1.37 is greater or 1.49 is greater. Let's solve part 4 of question number 1. That is 1.37 is greater or 1.49 is greater. That you have to tell. So, digit at the unit place of the number 1.37 is 1. This one. And digit at the unit place of the number 1.49 is also 1. This one. This one. So, both are same. This one and this one. Both are same. But digit at the 10th place of the number 1.37 is 3. This 3. 10th place, that is 3 in 1.37. Digit at the 10th place of the number 1.49 is 4. This 4. So, 4 is greater than 3. This 4 is greater than this 3. So, we can say that 1.49 is greater than 1.37. This 1.49 is greater than 1.37. Students, part 5th, part 6th of question number 1, exercise 2.5, that you have to do it yourself. This is your homework. Now students, we will solve question number 2 of exercise 2.5. Question number 2 is express as rupees using decimal. First part is 7 paisa. It means you have to convert this 7 paisa into rupees. Let's start question number 2 of exercise 2.5. That is express as rupees using decimals. First one is 7 paisa. As you all know, 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupees. So, we have to calculate 7 paisa is equal to how many rupees? So, 7 is divided by 100. So, our answer will be 0.07 because there are 2 zeros below the fraction line. So, decimal will move towards the left side, 2 digit towards the left side. That is 7 and then we will put 0 before it. So, our answer will be 0.07 rupees. Second part of question number 2 is you have to convert 7 rupees 7 paisa into rupees using decimals. So, second part of question number 2, exercise 2.5 is 7 rupees 7 paisa. This 7 rupees is already in the rupees form. So, we will convert this 7 paisa into rupees. To convert this 7 paisa into rupees, we have to divide it by 100. Because 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupees. So, 7 plus 7 upon 100. That is, how many zeros are there in 100? There are 2 zeros. So, our decimal will move 2 digit towards the left. That is 7 plus 0.07. When we add 7 and 0.07, our answer will be 7.07. So, we can say that rupees 7.07 is the answer. Now, we will solve third part of question number 2. That is, we have to convert 77 rupees 77 paisa into decimals. Let's solve third part of question number 2, exercise 2.5, and that is 77 rupees and 77 paisa. This 77 rupees is already in rupees form. So, we will convert this 77 paisa into rupees. To convert paisa into rupees, we have to divide it by 100. So, 77 plus 77 upon 100. So, how many zeros are there in 100? There are 2 zeros. So, decimal will move towards the left side, 2 digit towards the left side. That is here only. So, our answer will be 77 plus 0.77. So, 77 plus 0.77, that is equal to 77.77. So our answer is rupees 77.77. Rupees 77.77. Students, part 4 and part 5 of question number 2, exercise 2.5, that you have to do it yourself as a homework. Students, this is the end of today's first video lecture. Now you must watch the second video which has already been sent to you.